HobbyKidsTV.
Well, isn't this just ducky? We've got a lot of duck eggs open here. Ooh, we even have a Disney chocolate Kinder Egg we get to open up. Ooh! So let's get started and have some fun. Open up these eggs and see what's inside. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I'm gonna pick you first. It's a duck dog. D for duck dog. Sit, dog. Ooh, isn't he a colorful looking duck? It's all painted pretty. Let's grab the square egg. A mini duck quacker. Woohoo! Let's see how this works. Well, I wouldn't make my profession a duck caller. That's cute. Love that. Calling all ducks. We'll put him right next to that one. Okay, who's next here? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a duck by the toe. If he hollers, uh-oh, let him go. I'm gonna go for this Mohawk Duck here. He's got a funny looking purple mohawk. Have you ever seen a duck with a mohawk? An astronaut duck. Oh, see the A? For astronaut. Too cute. Zoom. Zoom. Ooh, what's this pretty one? Oh boy, it's pink. Beep. I think it's a duck. It's a baby duck. Oh, see B for baby duck. Too cute. Goo goo quack. Quack, quack, goo, goo. We'll put the baby duck right there. Okay, you hobby duck fans. There's somebody faking to be a duck in this video. Have you found them yet? They're hiding. I'll give you a hint. They're hiding behind a bush. Wonder who that could be. Oh my goodness. It's a cat duck. See the C for cat. Quack, quack, meow. Quack, quack, meow. Meow, quack, meow, quack. We'll put the kitty cat right there. Ooh, we've got some more eggs down there. Let's go get them. Could be. Oh, wow. It's an elephant duck. Isn't that cute? E for elephant. Let's put the little elephant duck down here. And while I'm at it, I'm going to grab this butterfly egg. It's Farmer Duck. He's got a little hat and F for farmer. He's got suspenders. Isn't he cute? We'll put him next to the elephant and the baby duck. How about we open that Disney Surprise Kinder Egg? So while we're opening up this Kinder Egg, have you figured out who is hiding? And if you do know, list your comments below and we'll reveal it in the next video. It's an Ariel. Well, let's see, where could we put her? She belongs in the water. Let's put her in the water. And now she has duck friends. Let's look at our little ducks that we opened up from the eggs. We have a C, we have a D, we have an E, we have an A, and we have a B, and we have an F. A, B, C, D, E, F. Uh-oh, we need to open up some more eggs and see if we have any more letters to add to our alphabet. Animal ducks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click on Hobby Mima. and see what the other alphabet ducks look like. Hope you give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and share. See you on my next video. Best toy videos. Bye.